Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Microsoft Windows Server 2012. Let's begin. I already set up everything on my VM. So at this point we are going to power on this virtual machine. Let me power it on. Just powered on now. It's loading files. It's loading right now. Okay, at this point you see Microsoft Windows Server 2012 R2. We're gonna have to choose the language to install. It's on English United States, so we will leave it as it is. And the time and currency format, I'm gonna change it to Canada. Let me change it to Canada. So we're gonna select Canada on this one. I chose that Canada, and then we're gonna click on next. So at this point it's asking for us to install, so I'm gonna click on install now because this is a fresh installation. Setup is starting. On the screen, select the operating system you want to install. So at this point we're going to choose the operating system that we wanted to install. At this point we wanted to install Windows Server 2012 R2 Data Center Evaluation. Microsoft Windows Server 2012 R2 Data Center Evaluation. So you choose that and then we click on next. And then this is all the regular license terms and conditions. So we accept these terms and conditions and then click next. At this point, upgrade or custom installation. We're just going to say custom install Windows only advanced. We're going to click on this here and drive 0 allocated. So we choose that, we click on it, we select that and then click on next. Now when installing Windows and it's starting to copying Windows files. It's going to take a while to install these. As you can see now, it's getting files ready for installation. We just got 45% done on completing copying files. So far we got 80% complete now. Copying files, getting ready for installation. I'm gonna pause it and then we'll be back when it's complete 100%. So we got 100% complete there and it's now installing features. Installing updates now. It's complete updates. It's gonna finish up. Windows need to restart to continue, so it's gonna restart now. Okay, at this point here it says administrator, the user's password must be changed before signing. So okay, we're gonna click it OK. So I'm gonna put up a new password there. Just gonna put a simple password so I can remember. Caps lock is on. I'm gonna take off the caps lock. Yes. And the same one again to confirm the password. Okay. And then I will click here or enter. And it will change the password. Your password has been changed. Okay, click OK here. At this point, we are done installing Windows Server. Let's log in. So I'm gonna put up my password here to log in, and then click. We have done installing Windows Server 2012. You can see it here. It says Windows Server 2012 Data Center Evaluation version. We have installed it. Also, you can see here also. You click here. You can see, go into the right click that this PC. Go into the properties, and here Microsoft Windows Server 2012 after Data Center Evaluation Edition. We are using it. Um, um, Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe for more videos, and see you again on my next video. Thank you.